Hi friends, we're entering our apartment. It is a 2-bedroom in Lido del Sole. This is the kitchen area with a gas stove, sink, table for 5 people. Then we have dishes. This is a double futon, full fridge and freezer, little TV, microwave. We are going onto the beautiful French door that opens all the way to a very nice patio. It is raining today. The patio is wraparound, so it goes all the way to the left. Now we're entering the master bedroom. Double bed, 2 night tables, and then we have lots of storage, closets. From here, we are going into the bathroom. Typical Italian bathroom. But the best is the view. You sit on the toilet and this is what you see. This is what you get. Shower. And we are going into the second bedroom now, which is bunk beds. So 2 more people. So this sleeps about 5 or 6 adults. Another closet. And now we are on the other side of the patio. We had beautiful view. These are typical Italian pine trees. The sea is over there. It's about 50 meters or 50-60 meters to walk. Very close. Beautiful sand beaches. If you're looking for a place in Lido del Sole or Bibione or area, you can message me. I have a great friend. Her name is Sabrina, and she works for Agenzia Boreal. They are specializing in rentals and as well as selling for sale. So we were very happy. The price for this unit was $379. There was 3 adults here, so if you split that, it was super cheap. We were very happy here, and we will definitely come back.